Hello everyone, this is Shuchi and you're watching Colorbar Made for Magic. And today we're going to be talking about a very special product, our newest launch, the Sinful Lip and Cheek Mousse. This is how it comes when you first buy it. I absolutely love the packaging. The shade name comes right here and this is how it opens. It is really cute. I absolutely love the packaging, but the real magic happens inside. So it has a mousse-like texture and a velvety matte finish. It comes in 10 amazing shades that suit almost all skin tones. You can see there are reds, nudes and pinks to just spoil us all. And lucky for you, I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here with 3 of my favorite shades. So you can see I only have my base makeup on, just foundation, concealer, a little bit of powder, and now we can start playing around with these shades. The shades I'm going to be using today are Cocoa Berry, Juicy and Nude Mock. So we're starting with the eyes and I'm going to be using the shade Juicy. It is a beautiful mauve plum kind of a shade. So I'll take a little amount of product and start by tapping it onto my eyelids and blending it with my fingertips. Just look at how amazing the pigment is and I absolutely love this color. Now I love the color as it is, but I'm just going to take the shade Nude Mock and soften these edges. I'm taking very little product on a brush and I'll start by tapping it onto the edges of where I have ended the previous color. And now I'll slowly start swiping it like this. This motion right here is called a windshield wiper motion. I don't know who coined the term, but it's always really funny to think about it because this is exactly how I would explain it to someone who doesn't know how to do makeup. So yeah, just look at this blend. I absolutely love this. The shade is so cool. Let's quickly do the other eye as well. Okay, so this looks done, but whatever I do on my upper eyelids, I always make sure to bring it downwards towards my lower eyelids. That is what makes the eye look more cohesive. So I have a little bit of Nude Mock residue on the brush. I'm just going to blend with whatever's left on the brush. So this is it for the eyes. Now I'm going to move on to the lips, and for lips I'm going to be using the shade Cocoa Berry. Lips are really easy to do with this product. I will just dip my fingers in the pan a little bit and tap it onto the center of my lips and blend it outwards. And I can be done at that, but I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I'm going to be using a lip brush and just outlining my lips a little bit for a more cleaner look. So I'll start with the outer corners of my mouth. Just look at this shade. I absolutely love this shade. I have not stopped using it since I first tried it, and I'm so happy to do it in front of the camera for you guys. One thing I'd like to say is that the texture of this product on my lips is unlike anything I have used before. It is just so lightweight on the lips and feels so soft and velvety. It is the best feeling on the lips as well. I love a good ombre lip. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Nude Mock and apply it in the center of my lips. And that's it. That's how easy it was. You can look at the edges of my mouth. There's Cocoa Berry and a little bit of Nude Mock in the center. It makes my lips look poutier, and also it is a good nude everyday shade, as you can see. So you can also mix and match with these tints. You can mix the shades. The formulation is really good for mixing shades. Now that we are done with the eyes and the lips, guess what shade I'm going to be using on my cheeks? I know it's not hard to guess. It's Cocoa Berry, of course. So I'm going with a little bit of Cocoa Berry on my cheeks. I'm just going to start by tapping it in little dots, and now I'll start blending it with my fingers. Just look at the pigment. It is very buildable but also highly pigmented, and look how natural it looks. It just brings the whole look together. And we're done with blush. Look how beautifully and naturally it blended on my cheeks. And yeah, I'll just quickly tidy up, maybe apply some mascara and liner, and we'll come back with the look. And this is the final look. So I've only applied a little bit of kajal and mascara to my eyes. Other than that, it's the same. I absolutely loved how it turned out. Every shade looks so cohesive on my face and it feels so amazing on my skin. So that's it for today's video. I hope you loved it as much as I did. I am an absolute fan of our Sinful lip and cheek mousse. Do give it a try, and for more makeup videos, follow us on Instagram at Colorbar and subscribe to our YouTube channel Colorbar Cosmetics.